Hello again, everybody. We have another job order, and this is for a building cleaning. So the job description is cleaning. The working area will be in Yokohama in Kanagawa, and we need 3 to 5 people for this job. And the salary is from 200,000 yen a month, and the working hours actually starts from 8 o'clock, so this has a shifting schedule. So if you are willing to apply for this job, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, January 6, at our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So again, this is a building cleaning job, so we need 3 to 5 people for this. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can also comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 036-206-8058. For English, you just look for my name, Bing. So again, this is a building cleaning job. Thank you.